Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Champaign County, northeastern Miami County, and southeastern Shelby County in Ohio until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing winds to 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Fletcher, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include St. Paris, Urbana, and North Lewisburg. In addition, Platteville, Ballou, Careyville, Kaiser Lake State Park, Rosewood, Millerstown, Spring Hills, and Westville are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. As storms approach, seek shelter in sturdy buildings and stay away from windows. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Champaign County, northeastern Miami County, and southeastern Shelby County in Ohio until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the lower Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Cold disturbances, afternoon heating, and humid air will aid in producing thunderstorms this afternoon. A cold front to the west will be the focus of increased thunderstorm activity this evening as it moves to the area of Lake Erie through central Ohio and into North Kentucky. By Sunday morning, the front will have dropped into the Tennessee Valley, and another cold front with limited moisture will drop through the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley by Monday. High pressure and dry air will then build into the regions on Monday.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the Miami Valley of Ohio and the Whitewater Valley of East Central Indiana. Today, partly cloudy, becoming mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and heavy rainfall. Humid with highs in the lower 90s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Muggy with lows in the mid-60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, decreasing to around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast.